try this. Portrait of the artist as a young man. Gonna turn a hater to a young fan. Set sail, see you later, off to new lands. They call me crazy till it's true, then it's true, damn. I don't write a line just to make a point. I'm sitting in the silence to make a noise. Send shivers down your spine, get a line like a river flow. A stream of consciousness, James Joyce. Last night with my wife, White Zinfandel. No white lies, straight talk, yeah, that's parallel. Cooking beaches, a cakewalk, I might as well. All aboard the train of thought as I ring the bell. Sicker than.
Welcome back to another YouTube video, and as you guys can see in the description, today we will be turning my 1.9 TDI into a 1.8 GTI.
I made this so it's $1 million beat. V12 BBS, I fell in love with beats. Walking your session, you ain't rapping about nothing. My invoice gon' be $1 million fee. Oh God, hop in a billion slide and what? My die. Say what? You know my method, I'ma turn your shirt red, man. Then see your ass how high. Oh God, mama got a bin, she smile. 21.
And I don't really mean that like literally, just like cosmetically. Say that because this right here is giving very much TDI vibes, and I don't like that. So yeah, also the fact that it have no side skirts even make it more TDI like. So today we restoring this TDI into a OEM GTI.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
We got the front grills here. We got the side skirts here, the original GTI side skirts, and actually a front spoiler. So yeah, all of this we got from VS Motorsport KZN, except for the badge. They were out of stock at the time. Okay, but anyways, here we took out the badge. They are now ready to spray, all prepped and ready. We're gonna be spraying it with a gloss black, if y'all can see here. This is the paint that I'm using. It's nothing special, nothing, just a normal gloss black, and yeah, that should get the job done, I hope. Okay, the first coat is done. We're gonna let that dry for a bit and we'll come back for a second and third coat. But in the meantime, we can start unpackaging this side skirts and the loop. And this, I think it was probably just a primer, so maybe I should spray it down again. Okay guys, now you can see we already started sanding down the side skirts. So yeah, we're just gonna start with the other one now. This one, yeah. We're just gonna need another piece of sandpaper. And this is a P800 grit sandpaper. Okay. In case anyone was wondering. The lip and the front grills are complete. This is looking a bit questionable, so I think I might go back to that one. But yeah, these all look nice and neat. Nice. Yeah, no, we're gonna have to go over there again. But in the meantime, okay, these are also sanded down. They must get sprayed now. I'm just starting to take out the grill here. So there, if you can see, it's just this 4 screws here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's a clip here. So that clip there, you just lift it up, and there's also 4 of them, and then you pull it out. So yeah. So yeah, we got badgeless back at the workshop. Fox is out for the first time on the YouTube. They see the Foxy. Would you like to tell them what happened there to your handle, bruh? Because
yeah, I don't really know.
what you mean you don't know, bruh?
I wasn't there. For this. I wasn't there.
Okay, guys, to update you, yeah, we took out the other grills. The problem is this bottom one is actually glued on there. So I don't want us to go through all of that. So I'm just gonna spray this piece here as it is on, and then I'll put the side over here and over there, and then on top separately. So that's the plan. They already finished here sprayed. This is the old set, yeah. And then this is the new set. Okay, anyways, back to business. Side skirts need to get sprayed now. So that's the next job to do. Just run through my grills.
You said so.
Okay, so we managed to fit the side skirt. It was no walk in the park. As you can see, we had things here to help us keep it standing. 7 different types of double-sided tape and glue. But yeah, that's it. This is not much we could have done here because
So we don't have the capacity.
But yeah, other side will be a lot easier. Everything is proper straight that side, like proper straight, so just gonna be a walk in the park this side. Side skirts is on both sides. We started spraying here because like I said, that thing was glued on there, so there's no using a new one for that one. I just spray it over. But yeah, we out of paint, so we need to come back tomorrow, respray again here, second, third coat, and then we can fit the rest of the stuff. Yeah, you can see the side skirt on this side. Just need to polish out all that stuff. Get glue marks. But yeah, side skirts are on. The lip must still get another coat because someone wanted to come put fingers here. You can still put your fingers up when it's black.
I found the door open, I didn't touch the door.
So yeah, here we spray the grill. Not really happy because the black that was here before had glitter, man, and it matched the roof. But yeah, it's alright. It's alright. It will work. So we're just waiting for that to dry. Once that is dry, we can fit now all these other parts here. Well, actually these we can already fit. But yeah. So there we got the two bottom fog light grills in. Still need to, they just clip on, but I want to put some extra cable ties there also. So yeah, for now I want to put on the front lip. So yeah. Okay guys, here you can see me struggling, and I did not end up fitting this front lip because it was brought to my attention that my front bumper is actually missing a piece, and without that piece this front lip will not go on there properly. So here's a picture, I'll add it above so you can see there, that bottom piece of the bumper I am missing. It is done. It is done. So here we got the side skirts on, all sealed up and everything. Only problem is still there, but if you come from far it looks nice. So if you guys see this, admire from far, don't come too close. Especially on the driver's side, only on the driver's side. Just check it from far, bro, you like it. But yeah, here the grills is in. And yeah, now I can say I'm happy I got that GTI look back. But yeah, like I was telling you guys, this main grill is easy to put on. That's just a clip in what. But this one's here. Hey, this one was it was not a easy thing, huh? But we managed. Where's the other side? I can't even get to see it, but yeah. We did manage. So yeah, that is it for this video. I'm gonna leave the car on jack stands because I don't plan on using it anytime soon. It's Christmas tomorrow, so I'm not coming back here. I'll probably only come like next week to do the next thing on this car. You guys yet? But yeah, we're gonna leave the car on the jack stands because it needs to be on the jack stands for the next thing. My GTI badge here, I was thinking this, I actually bought it for the old grill, but then a new one came with the GTI badge, so I was thinking of putting this like at the back here. So just let me know what you guys think. Should I put it on the back there, or should I just get the original silver one like the front? But yeah, like I said and I've been saying, it is it for this video, so don't forget to like and subscribe, share, comment, and turn on your post notifications. And then I'll catch you on the next video.